Afternoon, ma'am. Where are you from?
Good afternoon. I am from Kareranan and Australia.
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 Can I nickname mana? Nickname. About you this ceremonial, what do you think that?
I think it's absolutely wonderful to see the culture of Bali and to see the people doing their traditional ceremonies during the Golongang to Kunigan time. And I'm very excited to see the Yipi
Thank you.
and the Ogas on Sunday.
Yeah.
I look forward to it.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
How about you? This traditional Balinese traditional.
Sorry.
How about you?
Me.
This one.
Yeah.
That's good. Send ya?
So are you from Mundu?
No. I from Petang village.
Oh, okay.
You know Petang, Sange, monkey place.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's the monkey place that you
yeah.
wanted to hear.
By bicycle.
Yeah.
I want to see ceremonial.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I like the monkey place that's close to here. I have been there. I have been there.
Yeah.
Very good.
How long in Bali?
I have been coming here for 18 years, but my Bahasa is not very good. I think your words are
But you must
too
learn.
long. I am learning sedikit here.
Sedikit. 18 years.
Yeah, many years, but I come and go. I don't live here all the time.
All this way.
Yeah, but
Maybe you rent villa, maybe ya.
saya tinggal di Kareranan satu bulan
Satu
atau
bulan.
2 bulan,
1 month, 2
and
months.
then tinggal Australia,
Oh ya.
and then back.
Oh, back and go. Nice. Hello. 1, 2, 3.